Overall, I would say this pain on the inside ankle of the right foot, I'd say it's about 95% gone. Even when
Yes.
it's most of it is just gone. Um, Most of my lower back pain as well,
Good.
it's gone.
Completely
Um,
gone, or sometimes it come back.
you know what? Sometimes I've got to sit a lot because I'm at the computer a fair bit. Um, so yeah, I do feel kind of tight in my legs, and I think that's the warning sign for me to be getting up. But like I said last week, I'm definitely feeling a lot more sprightly, a lot more sprungy. Like I see a wall, and I think I'd like to jump on that instead of just going yeah, it hurts. I actually have a slight tendon. This anterior tendon you're asking me to pop out. I've noticed it. Just day by day, week by week, it is getting stronger. I didn't send you any photos last week because I didn't take any. So that's another thing I've got to do. But there is something there, like in this tendon.
Right.
It's definitely getting more noticeable. Also, something else. Let me see, where were we? Friday I went for my walk, and my feet started burning. Just this powerful heat at the bottom of my feet, and in the toes as well. And then after a few minutes, it just spread all the way up the legs, and everything, like from the abs to the waist and down below. Everything from there was just hot, just burning from the inside out. And I noticed it Friday, Saturday, Sunday. A little bit less yesterday, but yesterday it was more just the feet and the very end of the toes just burning hot, like I'm walking on a hot tin roof or something. I've been waking up in the mornings and my abdominals are feeling like I've just done a whole bunch of sit-ups.
Yes.
This is normal first thing in the morning though.
That's very normal. That's very normal. Remember, I was telling you last session we were doing some exercises and you were feeling the sensation in your dantian.
Yeah. Because I've done a lot of stretching. I was doing yoga back when I was about 16, and I know what stretch feels like, and this feels something different.
Yes.
I've been having a lot of pain in this mid back. It's just been getting tight. Like I've been having massage for it, and I've got all sorts of tools and kit. I think I showed you a few weeks ago for physio, tennis balls, and it was just getting tight, like crunching it. And just from those stretches alone, and maybe the walking and the other exercises, I'd say it's about 85% gone, and that's just in the last couple of weeks.
Very good.
I also have a lot of problems with my shoulders and my neck. I always seem to be crunching it, doing something. Say a good 40% of that has gone as well.
Yes, it travels up.
It travels up. That's what I kind of hoping you were saying. Right, my qigong work. I've done a lot of work where I can get the heat into my hands. I've had this bubbling in the center of my palm, and I've had it go to the fingertips, and I've been having that for a few years. A couple of days ago, I started to notice like this heat. I don't know, traveling like up here.
Yes.
This part.
You're going to feel a much better, clear path of how the qi travels in your body. What you just told me before about the feeling, the warmth coming from your feet all the way going up.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's what it is, yeah.
The reason that you have a lot of these problems before that wasn't going away because blockage. Because of fascia, it wasn't in the right position, it wasn't in the right organization. So what we did here was to make sure the path, sort of like clear the path so that the qi can travel and circulate properly.
All right, okay, it definitely, it feels good. My qi felt good before. I just remember talking with my qigong master, like down the years, it's been a slow decrease of pain. But this is just something else. This is this feels really good.
Good.
I feel like I'm doing the right stuff. I'm on the right journey, and more importantly, it's not clashing with the qigong work that I'm doing.
Right.
I don't know. It just feels good. That burning sensation in the feet. It felt really nice. It's traveling more. I'd say it was hotter up the back of the leg. and going into the glutes.
Yes.
And I don't know, the two, the outside of the spine, I don't know, there's two thick muscles that travel up there. I'm starting to feel it in the mid back, like just above the pelvis.
Very good. Almost there. You can do this. Almost there. 5 seconds. And rest.
Oh, it just got into my chest.
Yes.
Oh, it's like doing push-ups got into my chest.
Yep. That's the fascia. Holistic.
It's getting to my arms. It's getting to my arms.
Yes.
Oh. Oh man, it's like I've been shot by lightning.
It's a crazy feeling, right?
Oh, it's still good. Whoa. Oh, still good, still good, still good. Still good. Look at my abs as well. God.
Yes.
Oh, man, I could do 50 minutes like that. Oh, yeah. All my muscles are turned on now. Everything. I don't know the muscles or what it is, but my whole body's...
You feel them connected.
Everything's electrified now. Everything's going. Everything, even in my neck. Scalp. Yeah, it's in the upper back. My feet are burning. My toes are burning.
Very good.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I could get used to that. That's a real buzz as well.
Good. Now we're gonna do a fascial stretch.
Oh. I feel like I
Oh. Feel more energetic, right?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God. You couldn't do this like the first time.
No, it was just, you know what it was before? I had this, it's kind of like this trepidation of even just doing that jump there, I'm just thinking, well, I've got to land and then my foot's going to hurt and then it's going to jar throughout my whole body, but...
Right, keep tension.
Okay.
How do you feel?
I feel fucking incredible. Excuse my leg. I feel good. I feel good.
No, don't worry. There's no kids here. You can talk whatever you want.
I feel fucking incredible.